Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you how to fix the Valorant VAN68 error code on Windows 11 in no time. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration, even though it's super simple, is to restart your PC. This will automatically restart your Riot client as well, and then you can check if the problem still persists. So just press on the start button, head over to the power icon and select the restart button. And if this doesn't work properly, you can move on to the next solution. And the next great solution is to simply run the Internet Connections Troubleshooter. Now to do this, press the Windows button, then select the settings icon. Afterwards, make sure to click on System on the left pane, and then on the right side, scroll down until you find the Troubleshoot category and click on it. Now in here, just click on Other Troubleshooters, and now the last thing you have to do in here is click on the Run button next to Internet Connections. Now Windows will try to detect any issues and fix them as soon as possible. Afterwards, you can close this window, restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. Moving on, another useful solution is to simply flush the DNS resolver cache. Now to do this, press the Windows button, then type in cmd and then run command prompt as an administrator. So right click on it, then click on run as administrator. And now in the command prompt window, make sure to copy paste the following command that I posted in the description below. Now as soon as you'll press the enter key, the system will flush the DNS resolver cache for you. And afterwards you can restart your computer and check if the issue still persists. Next, another great solution is to allow Valorant through the Windows Firewall in case this can do some problems. And now to do this, just press the Windows button, then type in Firewall and then select Windows Defender Firewall from the search results. Now in here you have an option on the left pane that says allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. So just click on it, and from here on, first to allow an app you have to click on the Change Settings button. Now scroll down. If you already have the Valorant app in here, you should just search by the V letter. As you can see, we have it in here, and just make sure that the boxes for both private and public are ticked on, which means you can allow this through the firewall. Otherwise, if you can't find it in here, just click on allow another app, then click on browse in the next window and locate the Valorant game. Just click on the Valorant executable and then select the open button. This will add Valorant to the list, and then you can already tick the boxes and allow it through the firewall. Afterwards, just restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. And lastly, another useful solution is to uninstall Valorant and then reinstall it. Now to do this, press the Windows button, then select the settings icon, and afterwards click on Apps on the left pane, and then on the right side select the Installed Apps category. And now in here, just scroll down until you find the Valorant game. And once you found it, click on the ellipsis next to it, which is the 3 dots, and then select the uninstall option. Afterwards, after uninstalling Valorant, restart your computer and then just reinstall it like you already did in the beginning. However, as an alternative, we highly recommend you to try out Restoro, which is an app that specializes in scanning and repairing any issues with your Windows operating system faster than you think. At the same time, Restoro also repairs damage caused by malware, which is a great plus in functionality. So make sure to check out the link in the description below. And that's it. Super simple, isn't it? Of course, if you enjoyed this video and it helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.